Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Wow. Pisces, in this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards them, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Pisces. So we have the Lovers and Two of Pentacles, okay, Queen of Wands, Temperance, Page of Swords, Death card, okay, Ten of Pentacles, and Knight of Wands. So Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card, okay. We have Sagittarius in this reading with this Temperance card, okay, and some of you could be dealing with Scorpio as well with this Death card. We have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Two of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles, okay. We have Fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign with Page of Swords, okay. So Pisces, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential, okay. So let's start the reading for Pisces. So we have the Lovers, Queen of Wands, and Two of Pentacles. Your partner feels a divine connection with you with this Lovers card, okay. They feel that there is a mutual love between you and them. They feel that there is mutual respect, mutual emotion between you and them with this Lovers card. They feel that you are their soulmate. Okay, and plus I also feel that with this Lovers card, your person truly admires you, the way you are handling yourself right now, okay. Because they feel that you are being very struggling nowadays. Maybe you are struggling a lot in today's time to survive in this crucial time, okay. Maybe you are juggling into so many things, be it your career, be it your finances, be it your personal life, be it your professional life. So they are saying you that you are juggling a lot in your life, okay, to sustain or to retain your current life, okay. And yes, moreover, they also feel about you with this Queen of Wands that you wanted to take a step in this relationship, okay. Maybe you wanted to start something new in this relationship, but now you are taking your own time, okay. Now you have stopped you are not taking any action towards this relationship. That's what they feel, Pisces, okay. You are you are pretending as a queen, okay. You have this wand in your hand, you want to take action. You have the sunflower in your hand, okay. You have the abilities and you want to take action towards them, okay, with full of joy and with full of excitement, but something is there which is bothering you, okay. You want to offer them something, or they feel that you genuinely wants to start something new in this relationship, but they feel that you are not concerned right now about this relationship, okay. Maybe it is just because of this Two of Pentacles that they feel that you are juggling a lot right nowadays, or maybe you are struggling something, Okay, maybe it's your finances things which you want to settle down first, only then you want to take certain action towards this relationship thing. Okay, so you are very calm and very subtle in your mind that no, this is the time when I need to focus on my career now. No, this is the time when I should give all my attention to my finances or my material things. Okay, but yes, you want to start something new with them. Okay, so that was your partner's energies towards you. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. Okay, so we have Page of Swords, Death card, and Temperance. Temperance card. Okay. Pisces, you feel that your person is, you know, they are into some war energy. Okay, they want to. They are being very energetic towards something. Okay, they are into fighting mode basically, and this fighting mode is not for anybody else. This is going to be for you, because you feel that your person genuinely wants to take certain action towards you. Okay, you feel that even though I mean you feel that they were not very much involved in within you in past. Okay, now is the time when they want to take certain action, or they want to take some action in this relationship. Now they are being the warrior in this relationship. Now they are projecting themselves as they are the one who is going to uh, take a lead of this relationship in their hand. Okay, that's what you are feeling, or that's how you are seeing them, Pisces. Okay, and with this Death card, you also feel about them, as I said, that something has ended at their end. Okay, maybe they were not talking to you in past, maybe they were, you know, giving you mixed signals that yes, I want to continue with you, or maybe I don't want to continue with you, maybe I'm confused, maybe I'm not sure what I want in this life, or from this relationship, or from you. But you feel that something has ended at their end, and now they are, you know, being a savior or being a warrior in this relationship. Okay, so a new day is there for you. Okay, Pisces, you feel that your person is changing, their behavior is changing towards you. Now they are being very serious, okay, towards you and towards this relationship. There is a new beginning in this relationship with this Death card. Okay, something has ended. Okay, maybe I feel that it is their past energies towards you. Okay, I feel that they were holding back their emotions. Now they are not doing that anymore. Okay, they are just taking lead of this relationship in their hands with this Page of Swords. Okay, they are going to be the warrior. Okay, you are seeing them as a warrior, you are seeing them as somebody who is genuinely interested in taking action towards this relationship. And plus Pisces, with this Temperance card, you also feel about this person that the new beginning is coming. Okay, the new beginning is there with them. Okay, they have you know, divine has guided them. Okay, that they should start something new. So the sun is rising in these two cards. Okay, a new day has come in their life. Okay, and plus you also feel that with this Temperance card, that your person who was, you know, very much into juggling energy, okay, in past, maybe they were confused, as I said. Now they are bringing balance into their life. Okay, they are healing their heart and mind. Plus Pisces, I feel that you also see them as somebody who is like an angel to them. Okay, because there is a mutual love in this relationship. I mean, they see you as their soulmate. So you also feel them, or you also see them as your guardian angel, or as your angel. Okay, so a new day is about to start in this relationship. Something new is about to start in this relationship with this Temperance card and the Death card. Okay, now the mutual energy of this relationship is Ten of Pentacles. So I feel that it's both of you who wants to settle down with each other, okay, who wants to start a family with each other, okay, who wants to grow old with each other, who wants to have kids with each other. So it's your mutual energy, okay. You both of you are desperately wants to start something new, okay. Both of you wants to grow old with each other. Both of you wants to um, live life together, okay. Yes, you both of you wants to build an empire for yourself, okay. And yes, definitely you wants to have kids with your person. I mean, both of you wants to have kids with each other, okay. You want to build a home with them, okay. The future potential of this relationship is Knight of Wands. Somebody is taking action in future. Somebody is going to take action, either you or your person. And I feel it's a mutual thing, okay. Both of you are coming together to express your emotions, okay, to tell your person that how you miss them and how you feel about them and how you would like to take this relationship on a next level and how serious you are about them and about this relationship, okay. So somebody is definitely going to take action. Somebody is definitely going to break the ice of you know, little communication or non-communication. So something is about to happen in this relationship in coming time, Pisces. Okay. Okay, so Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.